Welcome students. Today our topic is implementation of inheritance in C++. As we all know that inheritance is the capability of a class to inherit properties from another class. The inheritance can be of single level, multi-level or multiple inheritance. These three types of inheritance are included in our syllabus, and we have already gone through the notes what actually inheritance does. So today, with the help of this C++ program, we try to understand the basic concept of inheritance. So for that, we will write a program like this. So first of all, header files, then we have to declare a class, and we will we'll keep the name of class as shape. In class shape, we have to keep the visibility mode as protected, so that the data members are inherited in another class. If we keep it private, the private members do not get inherited. That is the important feature, that is security feature. So we have to keep them as protected or public. Here I will declare two variables. One is length, another is breadth, and another one area. So all the three variables I am declaring in class shape under the protected section. Then I will write member functions. First member function I will write as set data. Will name as get data. What will this function do? This will ask the user for input, the values in length and breadth. So we will write a message here: cout enter length and breadth. The user will input through keyboard, so cn. They will be stored in the variables length and breadth. This is all the function get data will do. Then we will write another function void set area. This function will calculate the area. So we have length and breadth. That means the shape is a rectangle. We will calculate the area as area is equal to length into breadth. This all the set area function will do. Then we will do one thing. We will end this class definition here. We will put a semicolon. Then we will declare another class, and we will name it as a rectangle. Class rectangle. This rectangle class will inherit the features from shape class. So what is the syntax? We have to write the keyword class, then class name, then colon, then we have to write the access specifier, whether it is publicly inheriting, whether it is privately inheriting, or whether it is protectedly inheriting. These are the three modes through which a class can inherit from another class. So we will start with public inheritance, and after this we have to mention the name of the class. from which it is inheriting. So it is inheriting from shape class. Then we will start what will be in the rectangle class. This line will make rectangle class inherit from shape class. So whatever is in the shape class will get inherited into the rectangle class. So protected members, they will get inherited, as well as public members. If anyone is private here, any portion of this class is private, whether this is data member or member function, you have to remember that private members are never inherited. So here we will write a function in the public section. The function, we will name it as display. What will it display? It will display the area. So we will write a message here, cout the area of shape is equal to, where from it will get the area. The area is stored in the variable area. The area is of class shape, but this area is accessible in this class, as this class shape, this class rectangle is inheriting from shape class. So we can use area variable in this class too. This is all this function will do. Then we will close the class definition and put a semicolon. Then we will write the main function, void main, and in main function we will make the objects of class rectangle. So what is the syntax? Class name, then object name, R. One object I have made here of class rectangle. Through this object I will call the functions of base class. So first of all, what is the function in the base class? Get data and set area. We have to call these two functions, or.get data, then or.set area, and this or object is of class rectangle, and we have function display in this. We will call this function too. If this program gets executed, we will say that this class rectangle has gained the access to the shape class, because get data, set area, and this area variable, these are the data members of class shape. In normal circumstances, this is never possible that we will use the variable or member function of one class in another class. That is never accessible in the outside the class. But this is the important feature of C++ or object-oriented programming. The inheritance makes a class capable of acquiring the features of another class. So let us see this program, output of this program. I will compile the program, Control F9. There is no error. Enter length and breadth. That means object R of class rectangle has accessed the function get data of class shape. So I will give length as 5 and breadth as 10. After that, there is a call to set area, and after that there is a call to display function. So hopefully this should produce the result as 50. The area of shape is 50. That means our program is working without any error. And in this program we came to the conclusion that rectangle R is the object of class rectangle, and get data is the function of class shape, set area is the function of class shape. These two functions are accessed by object of R, means as they are the part of class rectangle, and this is possible only when we use the inheritance feature of object oriented programming. This is a single level inheritance, and in multi-level inheritance what we are going to do, we are going to extend the classes beyond this level, and that will be shown in the next program. Hope this program of inheritance might have cleared your concepts. uh, Thank you for being with me. Have a nice day. See you soon. Thank you.